Today we are back at Froggy Birthplace. Actually, we are in Cologne at the Ford factory where Froggy was built. So we decided to take a look. Actually, today is a weekend, so everything is closed. But we will show you a little bit of where Froggy was built. It's Cologne, it's one of the biggest Ford factory in Europe. Transition to electric car is up and running. That's also the reason why Froggy and the Ford Fiesta has been production has been stopped. They are changing over to electric cars. So this factory is experiencing the biggest change from traditional engine to electric cars. We can have a very quick look together on how the factory looks like. Enjoy the visuals and see you soon.